and welcome back to English Today. How are you? Now, in that last episode of That's Life, did you notice that Anne described her office? And the most important thing for Peter was what? The coffee machine. Strange. Now, I want to look at the language that Anne used. She used there is a and there are some. Let me explain that to you. Now, if you have a single object, for example, like a glass, then we say there is a glass on the table, or there is a hat on the table, or there is a computer on the table. Okay? Now that changes when we have more than one object. Like these pens, for example. We say there are some pens on the table. Okay? There are some pens on the table. And therefore, in this example here, books, there are some books on the table. There are some CDs on the table. So you see how it changes. Now, let's go and look at that on the screen. You can see it written. So we said with singular objects, we say there is. The examples are there's a computer in Anne's office. There isn't a fax machine. That's the negative. There isn't a fax machine. There's a table in the studio, and there isn't a coffee machine, which Peter can't believe. Now look at the plural form. We say there are some office supplies in the office, and there are some pens and pencils, okay? And we also use that for the exact number of plural objects. So, for example, there are 2 chairs in Anne's office, and there are 4 pictures, for example, in her studio. All right, so that's an introduction to there is and there are some. Now, in the next lesson, we're going to look at the difference between some and any, which is very important. So listen out for that in the next episode, and then come back here and we'll work on it. All right? See you later. Bye.